Okay, so I'm going to disassemble a powerline. It's untouched. Daisy 26. It's all going to go in this bowl. I'm going to try to do it left-handed because my hand, if I use my right, it gets in the way. Alright, there's like a little thing where the CO2 goes in. I'm just going to give you a general overview. The first thing you want to do is take out this screw. So this is probably the first one. You want to hold down the front and take that screw out. There it is. It will release. There's a front plastic thing that holds the barrel spring and the spring for the clip that goes in the front. Okay, let's get my hands out of the way. Here's another screw. And then we got another screw. And we got this screw. Alright, then we got this screw. That should be about all the screws. Now this piece you can push down and it'll stay in that side. That's fine, that's the safety. There's this piece. Here we go. Alright, here we go. This thing in the barrel. I noticed that, this is how it looks. There's this little kind of a weird thing right here. That's the top. Comes off. Here's the barrel. I don't really plan on taking that anymore. This kind of floats in there. I found that lithium grease was really good on these. Alright, kind of notice how that's in there because I'm going to take it apart. Alright, here. These are fine thread screws as opposed to the plastic screws, which seem more like wood screws or aggressive screws. Here we go. And then there, this screw right here. Okay, and this one. This is on the back here. This will get us into where the air chamber is. All right, so here we go. You've got this piece, and you've got this piece. Then you've got this piece. And then here's this spring thing that kind of holds this right here. Notice that? Because I was tripped up on that for a while. It's got like a little pin, and then there's a spring, and it holds it there. Anyway, there we go. That's the part. Now, air chamber. My biggest gripe about this gun, well, I mean, here, that piece goes in the front. You push in, and that lets out the CO2. This is just like a cork. It just sits there with a rubber grommet, and so your gas leaks out, and I kind of don't like that part of the design. Here's the spring that goes inside. There we go. This other piece comes off, and I'm not sure how far that part comes off either, but it might come out of there so you can like switch pieces out or something. I don't know. I haven't gone that far into that piece yet. The trigger assembly I haven't taken apart. It is a pretty weak spring, but it looks like you just got this thing. I'll just kind of give you an overview of it. Notice that the spring comes up this way. I took a bunch of pictures of it the first time I took it apart, and here you go. That should be enough. Those are all the pieces. Pretty much, assembly is in reverse. This is the top piece. It kind of rides up there with the BBs. That comes out, like the spring pushes it down, and then this pushes the next BB into place. So anyway, there is a powerline 426 in pieces. All right. Got it from Walmart for like 20 bucks. I've been modding them and doing weird stuff. I really like the fact that they're like $20. Because that's cheap. I can go buy another one for parts, and that's kind of what this one was. I just wanted more parts. Alright, thanks for watching.